Let's walk through the legal aid simulator. Whoever cannot afford a court case in Portugal can ask Social Security for legal protection, a waiver or phased payment of court fees, and a lawyer paid by the state. This tool runs the Law 34 of 2004 means test for 2026. Start with the household's annual net income after tax and Social Security. For a couple, let's use 12,000 euros. Then how many people live in the household? 2 in this example. And the household's bank deposits and listed securities. They only matter for the legal exclusion cap, so we leave 0. Instantly, the simulator shows the tier, full waiver. The couple's relevant income is 388 euros and 23 cents a month, below 3/4 of the IAS, so court fees and the lawyer are fully covered. Below the result, the notes show the 2026 thresholds. Full waiver up to 402 euros and 85 cents of monthly relevant income, and phased payment up to 1,342 euros and 83 cents, with the monthly installment computed for you. That's it. Change any field and the result updates live. Try it yourself at Calculadora Capital.